Remember the date, 8th of December 2025, Talkatora Indoor Stadium, New Delhi, India. Students and youth, professionals and intellectual, might be after finishing your graduation, your studies of BTech, MBA, you may be hunting for the job. One of the very interesting field of the job, that is the global political consulting market. I am going to talk with you. You can also establish your career. You can seek for a better life, better job, better income, especially in this field. Global political consulting market also offer equally good and better chances for a job, for a career, or for your self-employment. Come, learn political consulting and be a political campaign strategist, be an election campaign manager. Join India's biggest political consulting training program. Remember the date, 8th of December 2025, Talkatora Indoor Stadium, New Delhi, India. Click the link and book your seat, book your ticket now. Thank you very much.